onions, tomato, and scallion. Putting both tomatoes. Stir fry here that I'm working on. Alright, I'm going to add all of my peppers. And I'm going to add my carrots. Alright, then I'm going to stir. This is a stir-fry chicken, so now I'm stirring. This is my first time. First time doing stir-fry chicken. First time. It's looking wonderful. It's looking pretty nice. Alright, now I am going to add a Chinese vegetable, which is also known as bok chow. Bok chow. Chinese vegetable. Bok chow. Alright. Wow, it's a lot of vegetables. But 2 tools, everything vanishes into the pot. And you wonder, where is the vegetable? So this will produce the necessary liquid inside of the pot. So I won't have to add any water. Alright. This is my chicken stir fry. Chicken stir fry with Chinese vegetables. Alright, I'm going to stir her now. First stir. Get some of that starch up the vegetable down. That's where the water is. Water is in the starch. Down between the chicken so we can start producing the liquid I need. Alright, so I'm going to cover the pot and let the steam do the rest. Heat and steam. You are watching Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube channel, and I'm going to get ready to do some yellow curry rice to go with this, go with the stir-fried chicken. Alright, I'm going to add some thyme. red piece, I'm going to cut it up. I won't use a whole pepper. I'll just use this. This will enhance the taste and the flavor and spike it up. If it's too hot, we drink milk. Alright. So, there she goes. Juice to come out of the Chinese vegetable. And I'll stir it up. Alright, I'm going to add some butter in the pot, the vegetables, and that will be it. Nothing else will be going in there. Just this little piece of butter. This is to add some flavor. It is smelling real nice. The aroma, the fragrance, the thyme. Thyme is wonderful. Beautiful fragrance. Beautiful fragrance. A while ago I see another pop chow, like Chinese vegetables. Now disappears. Alright, this is the fire for the rice. Now put some seasoned colored rice. Seasoned colored rice with garlic powder and some onion powders and curry powder and salt. That's it. And butter, of course, yes, some butter, and that's it. Won't add anything else in there. Butter and curry powder. That's going in. That's what's going to give me the beautiful color that I need for this rice. That's turmeric curry powder. Garlic powder. So this pot is for the rice. Onion powder. And last, sea salt. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. Alright, this is the stir-fried chicken. All that vegetable, all that Chinese vegetable vanishes. Okay, just wash the white rice. Even though the instruction says you don't need to rinse, but I like to rinse the rice. Anyway, get some of the extra starch out of it. Look at all that liquid. All that liquid is coming from the pot jar. Chinese vegetable. All that liquid is coming from the Chinese vegetable. Alright, she's pretty much done. I'm not going to let the vegetables overcook. Alright, so that's my stir-fried chicken. That's my version of stir-fried chicken. I'm the Winston GeL, cooking on Discovery TV channel. Alright, this is done. The chicken stir-fry is done. Turn the stove off. Alright, now this is ready for the rice. Seasoned curry rice. You're watching Winston GeL cooking on Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. It's a little bit on the soft side. Not as shelly as I want it to be. I guess I didn't have enough rice. I put a little too much water. But it's alright, it's good. It's good. This is good, especially when people who use their hands to eat. That they enjoy their food. This is perfect. Alright, so that's the curry, or turmeric, seasoned rice. With just curry powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and sea salt and butter. So this is done. So the course for today, stir-fried chicken, it is completely done. So I'm just going to share and show you how it looks. So this is the Winston GeL cooking on Discovery TV channel here today. And see you in another one. Okay, my dear friends in YouTube land, this is the finished product of this stir-fried chicken here today. My version of what stir-fried chicken is. Okay. Stir-fried chicken. I'm having it with some nice romaine salad with tomatoes and cucumber and bacon bits and some nice cranberry juice. Delightful cranberry juice. Alright, so you're looking at my stir-fried chicken. Yellow colored rice, yellow colored seasoned rice with stir-fried chicken. That's my modified version. This is what I've created here today. And it is it tasted wonderful. Just like to share this with you. Okay, you're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV channel. Stir-fried chicken with yellow seasoned rice and a nice beautiful salad with cucumber and tomatoes and and Caesar salad dressing on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. Please like and share. And please subscribe to the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Thank you. I'll see you on another